Dr. Zakir Naik, I want to ask you about the time period you quoted that suppose for 2 years a certain amount has been invested in the bank, and suppose the entrepreneur fails to earn a profit or a loss in the 2 years and it takes time, so the bank is liable to take the money back or not?
The brother posed the question that suppose the bank, Islamic Bank, gives a particular amount for 2 years and that businessman fails to make any profit or loss in that 2 years, does the bank have the right to take back the money? It depends upon the condition. If the term fixed for the loan taken from the Islamic Bank is 2 years, then the bank has a right to take back the money, irrespective whether it makes a profit or loss. But if the bank feels that if another 6 months is given to the businessman, maybe he will make a profit, the bank can surely extend the period to 2.5 years or to 3 years, depending upon how productive is the business. It depends on the discretion of the bank. Hope that answers the question. But the main difference is that if the loss is there, the businessman in the Mudaribah system does not bear the loss is borne by the bank. So the businessman is yet not going any loss, direct loss. The loss is borne by the Islamic Bank. Hope that answers the question.
Excuse me, my question to you is